If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to pay employees in different currencies, Deel is the solution you need. Whether you're managing a global team or just expanding to new markets, Deel makes it seamless to pay employees in their preferred currency anywhere in the world. Stick around to learn exactly how to get this process set up and start paying your employees in different currencies quickly and effortlessly with Deel. First, let's dive into how Deel works. Deel is a platform that simplifies payroll management for remote teams across the globe. It supports paying employees in over 150 currencies, which means you can manage your international workforce without the usual hassle of currency conversions or dealing with complicated payroll software. To get started, simply sign up for Deel using the link below. You'll get an exclusive free trial, which will help you explore the full range of Deel's features risk-free. Once you're in, the process is incredibly simple. You begin by adding your employees to the system. You'll input their information, including their country and preferred currency. Deel has an easy-to-use interface that allows you to quickly onboard employees, regardless of where they are located. It even takes care of the tax and compliance aspects for you, so you don't have to worry about complicated tax regulations in each country. When it comes to paying employees in different currencies, Deel offers flexible payment methods. You can pay your team via direct bank transfer, ACH, or even through a local payment method in their country. Deel automatically handles the currency exchange for you, meaning there's no need to manually calculate exchange rates. It ensures your employees get paid exactly what they're owed in their local currency, on time, every time. A great feature Deel offers is the ability to set up automatic payments on a fixed schedule, so your employees don't have to wait for manual approvals each time. You can also customize pay cycles for different employees depending on your team's needs. If you're paying employees in multiple countries, this feature helps you save significant time and effort while ensuring accurate and timely payments. One of Deel's standout features is the ability to handle multiple currencies without any extra fees for currency conversion. Deel guarantees competitive exchange rates, so you don't have to worry about losing money on conversions. Everything is transparent, and you'll know exactly what you're paying for and when your employees will receive their funds. If you're managing a global team, Deel also offers support for contractors. You can easily set up payments for contractors, making Deel an all-in-one solution for both full-time employees and freelancers. Deel ensures compliance with labor laws in each country, meaning you won't have to navigate the complexities of international labor laws on your own. To sum it up, Deel simplifies the process of paying employees in different currencies, handling everything from currency conversion to compliance. If you're managing a team across borders, this tool is invaluable. Remember, if you want to get started, use the link in the description below for an exclusive extended free trial. You'll get full access to Deel's features, so you can experience how easy it is to manage global payroll with one tool. If you're looking to streamline your payments and manage a remote team without all the headaches, Deel is the way to go.